In this short video, we'll explain how to use the demonstrative adjectives this, these, that, and those. Demonstrative adjectives are words used to point out or identify nouns. They give information about proximity, near or far, and number, singular or plural. This goes before nouns that are near and singular. That goes before nouns that are far and singular. These goes before nouns that are near and plural. And finally, those goes before nouns that are far and plural. Now that's covered, let's try some practice. Your job is to decide which demonstrative adjective is appropriate by applying the rules provided. Do you like this table? This because it's near and singular. Can you see that giraffe ahead? Far and singular. Which of these tables do you prefer? Near and plural. Can you see those giraffes ahead? Far and plural. Now here is one last question as a test. Leave your answer in the comments section to show your knowledge.